Another question over here is, consider the following forms of public participation in Quit India movement. Students and youth, they boycotted the foreign goods and they participated in the protest. Definitely, this is right. Women protested at the liquor shops. Again, this is right. And contributed to underground radio networks. Who was she? The lady Usha Mehta over here, right? Peasants and workers, they played a passive role. No, they played a very active role, and they largely state, why will they stay away from the movement? They actually supported the movement. Okay, so this statement is wrong over here. 1 and 2 is correct. The Simon Commission, it was boycotted by the Indian leaders, okay, because it did not include any of the Indian members. Absolutely right. See, you are coming here to basically look into the right, basically to look into the review of the Government Act 1919. Okay, but what is happening that none of the members are Indians. That's the irony. So this statement is absolutely right over here. Okay, there's a third statement also. Okay, so both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct, and statement 2, definitely it is not a correct explanation over here, right? With reference to Hindustan Republican Association, okay, there were two. There was HRA and there was HSRA. HSRA will be the one which will be more influenced by the socialistic leanings, the Marxistic leanings, right, working for the welfare. So it was founded in Kanpur with aim of establishing Federal Republic of India. Okay, first statement is correct. It was later recognized as Hindustan Socialistic Republican Association, and shift was towards the Marxistic policies. Absolutely right. Its activities were confined to Bengal and Bombay Presidency. This is wrong over here. Okay. With reference to Chittagong Armory raid, Surya Sen, he led the Chittagong Armory raid and he proclaimed a provisional revolutionary government. Okay, this is absolutely right. Now, when you will be studying, there were moderates, there were extremists, and there were the revolutionaries. In the revolutionaries, you will see two set of people. One will be individualistic revolutionaries, right, like Praful, uh, the one Praful Das, right, all these people who will be following the path of nihilistic Russian ideology, right? They will sacrifice their life individually. And another one you will see in the grouping over here. They will form such revolutionary groupings. Women like Preeti Lada Wadekar and Kalpana Dutt, they played active roles in the armed resistance. Yes, the movement, it had retained Hindu ritualism, limiting the Muslim participation. No, this is not correct over here. There was no such thing as retaining of Hindu ritualism also. Okay. It was very inclusive and both the groups had been included over here. Was a basically secular nationalist struggle. Okay, Famine Commission of 1898. It emphasized irrigation and transportation development. The Famine Commission, okay, Famine Commission emphasized irrigation and development. Okay, one thing over here you will notice that all the policies during this time, whatever Britishers were bringing, they were having the imperialistic interest. All the policies they were bringing, they wanted to sustain their industrial revolution in Europe. So it emphasized on irrigation and transport development. No. Okay. The Famine Commission focused on prevention rather than relief. There was no concept of prevention. The focus was that after the damage done, the relief was given. The British suspended land revenue collection immediately during all the famine year. Okay, by courtesy, this was being followed. But there was nothing done to basically prevent it.